Guys, Insan, tingin ka naman dito. Ganda yan i-capture, Insan. Dito kami ngayon sa Parasalam. I-explore namin dahil naghahanap kami ng we're searching and to find a laundry shop and supermarket. So we are just exploring. This is the
third day we
no,
stay. Second day we stay
parang
here.
matagal na ano.
Yeah. So
This
we're
is the
just
second day
exploring the place.
since we have been here. So now we just choosing to keep walking so that we will find what we are wishes to see, to look at it. So I hope we could find it. This area, I like it. It's a big difference.
From Jornas and
yes,
Alpha.
from Jornas and Alpha, and also Sidi Maruf. Because for me, I stayed Sidi Maruf before, and the next is in Alpha. The next is in the Jornas Rani. So, but this place I like it. There is a lot of shops to buy whatever you need for the stuffs. And see, there are still so many buildings. This is not a commercial. The downstairs is a commercial, but on the upstairs, it's all residential. So here is good. Even though there is no mall here was not so near, a little bit far. But then there is a lot of shops that you need to buy something or whatever this kind of that stuff. See? Malapit na tumakbo si Insan. Magtanong muna tayo, Insan. Yung oo, wala naman dito. Saglit. Dito kami sa crossing.
Sabi niya, oh, may mga
Oo.
let's go inside.
Syukran. Hi, sister. What is Cash Plus shop?
Cash plus.
Cash Plus. For the money? Yeah.
Cash plus.
Cash Plus.
Yeah.
Just keep going. Okay, syukran kuya.
Thank you.
Ako'y talagang di mapakali sa beauty niyang napakatindi. Jowa ko yan, jowa.
Ang ganda ng kanta mo.
Sira ulo din, no? Patunayan natin, patunayan.
I-upload mo na naman yan.
Alangan naman. Huwag ka na lang mag-capture kung di upload.
I-upload mo. Proud of it.
Yes. You have to. Hi. Saan kaya dito?
Picture lang daw.
Hinahanap namin yung
Explore natin. Daming kita.
So, ibig sabihin, kaliwat kanan.
Kanan pa.
Kaliwat kanan mo lang ang iyong hakbang. Pakembot-kembot ka.
Oh.
Mas